You might have seen products being sold, services being sold, all kinds of things, but even your personal information is being sold online in the dark web and probably in the regular places as well. So here's what happens. Whenever you're surfing on the web, sometimes you try to download a PDF, document or an image, and the other guy asks you to register. You just enter your mail ID and give it some random or a common password. Now this is where the data breach actually starts. Maybe that website got hacked, or the user itself has sold your information, your login details, along with other information like username, full name, date of birth, gender details, and credit card information as well. There's a chance that the website owner can sell this information in the dark web. And from there, if you're using the same user ID and password everywhere, then hackers can definitely track everything that you do and log into your accounts if you're using the same password. So here's how to know where your data has been breached. There's this website called Have I Been Pwned? Have I Been Pwned? You just come to this website and enter your mail ID and it'll show you in how many places is your information being compromised. So this is how it works. My personal information has also been compromised really badly. So I would recommend you to immediately change your password and then enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication just adds an additional layer of security. Like next time you want to log in, it'll ask you for your OTP to your mobile phone or your mail ID. This will greatly improve your security. So do check out this website and see if your data has been breached. It's been many years since UPI has been launched in India, and now they are back with a major update. They're calling it the UPI Circles. Now normally anyone with a bank account can use UPI without any issues. That's a given. But consider this. You have a kid in your home, he has a smartphone, but there's no UPI. Every time he goes out, he'll ask you for cash. So this UPI Circles can be a solution. You can add your kid or someone else as a secondary account to your UPI account. Now this secondary account has two access modes. They can have full access and partial access. In full access, they can directly use your UPI payment account to make payments up to 15,000 rupees. That's the monthly limit. And in a single transaction, they can spend up to a maximum of 5,000 rupees. Now let's talk about partial access. Let's say your kid liked a toy, he wants to buy it. He'll scan the UPI code, but you'll get the notification and you'll have to enter the password to process the payment. So this is how it works, and you can always monitor all the transactions of your secondary accounts. And for one primary account, there can be multiple secondary accounts, but for a secondary account, there can be only one primary account. This is definitely a pretty cool feature and it's going to be coming out pretty soon. If you're someone who deals with a lot of PDFs, text files, image files, you merge PDFs, edit PDFs on daily basis, or even convert them to text files or doc files, not just PDFs, it may be even image files you're converting from one format to other, you're optimizing it for size. Like when you go to some government websites to register, they have very strict specifications about the size of the photos. So here's a good tool that can help you out with all these small things. It's called Iconic Tools Hub. You can just search for Iconic Tools Hub and this is the website that you get. From here you can do all kind of smaller operations, basically conversions and editing stuff for free. That's not all. You can also download some videos and photos from other websites like Pinterest, even Twitter, directly from this website. Well, obviously you can download it from those websites as well, but on this website you can also convert them to a specific format all in a single go. So guys, do give it a try. If you found this video to be helpful, hit the like button and please share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel.